In this video, we are going to replace these lights with Lasfit LED bulbs. Front turn signals, rear turn signals, backup light and brake lights. Twist out the front turn signal light. Take out the halogen bulb directly. Please notice the bulb is CK model. Plug in the LED bulb. Put the LED bulb into the housing. Align to the socket and lock it in place. We need to remove out the whole tail light assembly to replace the rear turn signal lights and brake light. Use the 10 mm socket to screw out 2 screws. Then, use the removal panel tool to loosen the whole tail light. Loosen. Twist out the turn signal light. The rear turn signal light bulb size is 7440. Take out the halogen bulb directly, and plug in the LED bulb. Turn on turn signal light to test if LED bulb works. The brake light bulb size is 7443. Twist out the stock brake light. Take out the halogen bulb directly. Plug in the LED bulb. 7443, red color. Press the brake pedal to test if the LED bulb works. Reinstall on the whole tail light assembly and fix it with all screws. Use the screwdriver to pry the panel. Twist out the backup light. Take out the halogen bulb directly and plug in the LED bulb. Put the backup light back and lock it in place.